Hi everyone, I welcome you all to another edition of Layoke Cuisine video. Thanks for staying tuned to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. Today we'll be preparing Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yes, you're surprised. Homemade Kentucky Fried Chicken is very simple, and I'm going to put us through how we can make it at home. These are the ingredients we'll be making use of. I have chicken here. This is chicken wings. You can see I've made some cuts on it. See here, the other side I've cut it. This is all-purpose flour. This is egg. I'm using an egg. I'm using chili powder. I don't have paprika here. You can also add it, but I don't have it here. So this is my salt. This is seasoning. This is garlic powder. This is ginger powder, and this is milk. So let's start by mixing the milk with the egg. So you can see. So let me use my fork to mix this together. So it's all mixed together now. So this is done. Then my ginger powder is going into the flour, followed by garlic powder, followed by chili powder, followed by salt and seasoning. So everything will be mixed together. You can see how I'm mixing it. So make sure they are all mixed together, all the ingredients. This chicken is going to be very crispy. You are going to love it. You can prepare it at home. It's not like the usual chicken, fried chicken you prepare at home. So the ingredients are all mixed now. So good. So the chicken, you can see, is going to go inside this. See what I'm doing? It's inside. Then into the flour, the mixed ingredients. Make sure it is well coated. Coat everything very well. Back into the mixture. You can see, back into the flour. Make sure it is well coated. So this is ready to go into the oil now, and we are going to repeat the process for all the chicken, the remaining chicken. So this is going into the oil now. I'm going to keep it here for now. So the oil is hot now. The chicken is going inside. So leave the chicken to fry for about 12 to 15 minutes to make it tender. So guys, I've been frying for 15 minutes. The chicken is ready now. This looks exactly like Kentucky Fried Chicken. You can see it. I don't want it to be too brown. So you're going to love it. Try yours at home. I want to hear feedback from you. Comment on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. And watch out for my next video. See you later. Bye.